हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल त्रिशा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बायोलॉजी। बच्चों, मैं आपका बायोलॉजी नेट गुरु डॉक्टर आशीष पंचाल आज फिर से एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आपके साथ बात करेंगे और वो है स्प्लीन। सो व्हाट इज स्प्लीन? सो वी ऑल नो दैट स्प्लीन इज द वन ऑफ द lymphoid organ. Spleen is one of the lymphoid organ and it's the largest lymphoid organ in our body. There are so many lymphoid organ are present in our body, like tonsils is also a lymphoid organ, lymph gland, lymph node, and MALT, that is mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. They are present in the various mucosal membrane. Okay, and the 50% of the lymphoid organ are made up of the MALT, that is mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. So here we will discuss the spleen, and the spleen is the encapsulated lymphoid structure. Now what is encapsulated lymphoid structure? So actually spleen, this is the diagram of the spleen. Okay, so the outer body is covered by the capsule. The outer part is covered by the capsule. That's why we can call it as an encapsulated lymphoid structure. So this is the capsule. Okay, actually this capsule is made up of the elastic fibrous. Okay, this capsule is made up of the elastin fiber. Now where it is located? So actually the location of the spleen, it is the left side of the upper abdomen. It present at the left side of the upper abdomen between the stomach and the diaphragm. Diaphragm और stomach के बीच में, and it is present at the tail part of the pancreas. Means when we draw the structure of the spleen anatomy, we all know that this is the stomach. Okay, this portion is known as the stomach. This is called the duodenum, and this part is known as the small intestine. Now here it possesses the pancreas. This is the pancreas. This blue color organ is the pancreas, and this is the head of pancreas, this is the body of pancreas, and this portion is known as the tail of pancreas. And at the tail of pancreas it has the spleen is located like this. At the tail of pancreas the spleen is located here like this. Okay, so this is the spleen. So where the exactly spleen is located? Spleen exactly located just left side of the upper abdomen. Left side of the upper abdomen and between the stomach and the diaphragm. इसके नीचे diaphragm होगा. And the spleen is attached at the tail part of the pancreas. Okay, so the spleen, it is present at the left side of the upper abdomen between the stomach and the diaphragm and attached at the tail part of the pancreas. Clear? Now spleen, actually the spleen has the two surface. One is the superior and one is inferior surface. This surface is known as the superior surface. This is known as the superior surface, and this surface is known as the inferior surface. This is the superior surface. This one is the superior surface of the spleen. This is the inferior surface of the lymph. This is the capsule of the lymph spleen. Now inferior surface actually it is concave and superior surface is convex. So it is concave and it is convex. Now from the superior surface the splenic artery is enter. From the superior surface the splenic artery is enter splenic artery is enter. So this is the structure of the splenic artery. Okay, and this splenic artery supply the blood to the spleen. The splenic artery supply the blood to the spleen. Just a few minutes, beta. Okay, this is the splenic artery. This one is the splenic artery. So through this hilum, this portion is known as the hilum. This part is known as the hilum. Okay, so the inferior surface is known as the hilum, and through which this hilum, this splenic artery, splenic vein, afferent lymphatic vessels are passed. Means यहाँ से vein भी pass होगा. This is the structure of the veins. Okay, so splenic vein, splenic artery and lymphatic vessels is passed through this hilum portion. Now the structure of the lymph. So lymph is the largest, it's the largest lymphoid organ covered by the elastic fibrous capsule. It is covered by the elastic fibrous capsule. So it is made up of the elastin fibrous part. Elastin fibrous capsule. Mainly the spleen has the two substance. One is the Malpighian corpuscles and the splenic pulp. This Malpighian corpuscles is known as the white pulp and it is called the red pulp. Now where the white and the red pulp is present. So here, now here for example, suppose यहाँ पर बेटा मैं जो ब्लू कलर की लाइन में दिखा रहा हूं, that blue color part, चलिए मुझे यहाँ पर ग्रीन कलर से दिखा देता हूँ तो आपको पता भी चले बेटा, वरना सब कुछ कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. सो ये जो ग्रीन कलर पार्ट है बेटा, okay, तो inside this part, this portion is known as the white pulp बेटा. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? White pulp. And white pulp का काम क्या है बेटा? The white pulp actually, okay, this Malpighian corpuscles, this white pulp are spread all over the spleen. यानी पूरे spleen में बेटा वो फैला हुआ होता है. And it is the mass of lymphoid tissue बेटा. It's a mass of lymphoid tissue and it is responsible for the production of lymphocytes and macrophage. उसका काम क्या है बेटा? जो white part है, that white pulp is spread all over the spleen and it is the mass of lymphoid tissue and it is help in the synthesis of lymphocytes and the macrophage. Surrounding it is red pulp, and red pulp, it is a blood filled venous sinus. Red pulp, it's a blood filled venous sinus and the splenic cord which consist of the mass of macrophage. उसमें क्या होगा बेटा? मैक्रोफेज होगा. मीन्स उसके बाहर बेटा जो मैं बना रहा हूं डॉट डॉट, ये वाला पोर्शन बेटा, रेड कलर का ये डॉट वाला जो पार्ट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रेड पल्प बेटा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द रेड पल्प. एंड दिस रेड पल्प, actually this red pulp possesses the macrophage. It is the red pulp and this red pulp possesses the macrophage and this macrophage is engulfed the microbes and the foreign bodies. It will engulf the microbes and the foreign bodies. Okay, so this is the structure of the spleen. Actually, spleen is the largest lymph node organ. It is covered by the elastic fiber. It mainly consists of the two parts, white pulp and the red pulp. The white pulp, actually it is spread all over the lymph and it is the main lymphoid mass of the spleen. और वो क्या करता है, it will produce the lymphocyte and macrophage. And red pulp, it is the blood filled venous sinus filled with the macrophage and engulf the foreign material and the microbes. Okay, now let's discuss the function of the spleen. So the main function of the spleen is help in the formation of the blood cell. So in the fetal life, जो बेटा बच्चा जो मदर वॉर्म में होता है, fetal life में आरबीसी कहाँ से सिंथेसाइज होता है बेटा, तो स्प्लीन में सिंथेसाइज होता है. लीवर में भी होता है. स्प्लीन इज ऑल्सो हेल्प इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ आरबीसी ड्यूरिंग द fetal लाइफ. व्हाइट पल्प जो है बेटा, हमने अभी पढ़ा, व्हाइट पल्प इज हेल्प इन द लिम्फोसाइट एंड द मैक्रोफेज फॉर्मेशन. तो व्हाइट पल्प क्या करता है बेटा, सिंथेसाइज द लिम्फोसाइट्स. ऑल्सो द स्प्लीन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ ब्लड. यानी बेटा स्प्लीन जो है वो आरबीसी को स्टोर करता है, इसीलिए उसको ट्रेजरर बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, ट्रेजरर ऑफ आरबीसी. उसमें आरबीसी स्टोर रहते हैं. जब भी बेटा इमरजेंसी हो तो आरबीसी गेट रिलीज फ्रॉम दिस स्प्लीन. देन द डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ आरबीसी, सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द ग्रेवयार्ड ऑफ आरबीसी. कि आफ्टर 120 डेज जब आरबीसी का बेटा लाइफ फिनिश हो जाता है, सो आरबीसी गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड इन द स्प्लीन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द मैक्रोफेज. Okay, so this RBC is destroyed in the spleen, that's why it is known as the graveyard of RBC. तो spleen को बेटा दो और नाम दिए हुए हैं, one is treasurer of RBC and graveyard of RBC. उसमें RBC स्टोर भी होते हैं और RBC वहां पर डिस्ट्रॉय भी होते हैं. देन स्टोरेज एंड द ट्रांसफर ऑफ पिगमेंट. एक्चुअली बेटा जब आरबीसी स्प्लीन में डिस्ट्रॉय होते हैं तो हीमोग्लोबिन डिस्ट्रॉय होगा, तो क्या बनेगा, बिलीरुबिन एंड बिलीवर्डिन जो पिगमेंट है, दैट पिगमेंट विल बी फॉर्म्ड and that pigment is stored in the spleen and transferred to liver. वो बेटा स्प्लीन में से कहाँ चले जाते हैं, लीवर में चले जाते हैं with the help of the splenic vein. So spleen is also responsible for the storage and the transfer of the pigment. Also lymphocyte बनाता है बेटा, इसलिए it help in the immune system. So these are the various functions of the spleen. Formation of the blood cell, fetal life में RBC gets synthesized in the spleen. Second, white pulp of the spleen is help in the synthesis of lymphocytes. It's a reservoir of RBC, that's why it is known as treasurer. Destruction of RBC also takes place in the spleen, that's why it is known as the graveyard of RBC. Also it store and transfer the pigment like bilirubin to the liver, and it also help in the immune system. Okay, so this is all about the spleen. Okay, बच्चों अगर हम आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ आप हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिए. हमारे सारे कोर्स हमारी ऐप पे अवेलेबल हैं फार्मेसी और 11th-12th नीट के लिए, तो आप उस ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक दिया हुआ है. तो प्लीज़ आप ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए और देखिए कि हम क्या क्या एक्टिविटी आपके लिए कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे.